Hi guys, welcome back. Her hair is a bit dry. I'm going to be putting her into a pony bob, blunt bob. But the problem, the hair is so dry, I don't want to wash it and do all, it's not, it doesn't need to wash for this style right now. Sorry the way I have to put the mannequin today. The way I had the mannequin wasn't working for me. I usually work behind a chair, of course, but because of long standing and little back aches and pains sometimes, I have to work where it is comfortable. Nothing is wrong with my hands, they're fine. I can do the styling and everything, and I can still stand for hours behind a chair. But I choose to take it a little easier now, after so many years of serving and doing hair and being a salon owner. So I'm going to set up another set for the hair because the thing was waggling left and right, and I could stand up and do another area, but I just couldn't get it done because she's going here, she's going there. And when you ask people, when you ask customers or friends or so to do the hair, they want a particular style, and I want styles to be put up here and putting her in to kind of smooth her out on my hand. And the whole method, they don't show me clean that. That's more like it. When you're twisting, you don't want to overlap, because you're not looking to overlap no style here. Means you don't even have to twist, but I'm always thinking of
move that booty, shake it for me. Girl, move that booty, shake it for me. Girl, move that booty.
it's not running good because it need to come out. I'm sure they don't know where it is.
Girl, move that booty,
I didn't come
shake it for me.
Yes, for sure.
Girl, move that booty, shake it for me. Booty.
Have a hard time.
Booty.
Have a hard time.
Girl, move that booty, shake it for me. Booty.
Let me show you something.
Treasure.